Hello, welcome everyone back to my channel. As you notice, the where I'm sitting is a little bit different. I'm actually downstairs in my lounge room. I wasn't about to do the review, but I thought, I've got time off today, so I'll do it and I'll edit it and I'll upload it tomorrow instead. Sorry if the light is not too bright. What I'll do, I'll try to edit it so it's a bit brighter, but I've got something really exciting to talk about today. So I received the Goss mystery box. So it's from Beautylish. I think they should be available still. So I bought this for 150 USD and it contains multiple of products. It could be anything. I did have a quick look at it just to make sure there's nothing missing, nothing broken, because usually when that happens, I like to email straight away instead of waiting for them or waiting for a couple of days to email them, because it just seems a bit sus sometimes. But everything is fine. I didn't go through them in detail. I literally just opened it, had a quick look. There's definitely no brushes in there, but on the website they did say the mystery box exclude brushes, makeup brush. So here it is. So it came in a box like this that says Beautylish, like that, and when you open it, it actually has another black cover here. And I noticed, I thought this was actually a black box, so I attempted to open it, but you actually look at it, it's actually just a sleeve. So I just put this on the side. It's actually just a sleeve to cover it, which I think is very nice, so they don't need to waste too much money. And my box was actually packed by someone named Karen, so thank you, Karen, for packing my box. So there we go. So this is a box from Beautylish. It looks really pretty. Mind you, I've never put anything for Beautylish before, and I definitely don't have any Goss products except the actual LED mask which I use, which is the current body mask. And I think Goss is a collab with Goss, or maybe Goss also owns that. Actually, I think Goss probably also owns that as well. So I do have that, and that is fantastic. My skin is much better after using the LED. So I thought, why not try his makeup product? I know he's a really, really famous makeup artist, but I haven't heard much about him. I haven't watched any of his makeup tutorials. I know some people go that, most of you watch it. I actually haven't watched it. I have watched Jeffree Star, but I haven't watched it. I've only recently got into this makeup thing. So what I'll do, I'll just show you what it is. So this is $150 US. So this is the big mystery box, and they also had the mystery box for lips only, and there's also a cheaper one for $100, but of course I just went for the big one. So what I'll do, I'll just put the pillow on the side. Oh, I've got a lot of blankets around here. Hope you guys can see it probably. So this is what it looks like inside. So it came with a free sample, really simple one. I saw some people have way more samples than me. I'm not sure why. I've just noticed Australia actually don't get that many samples when they buy stuff. Not sure why, but that's okay, no complaints. So this is the Helluron Serum by Suzanne Kaufman. So Suzanne Kaufman makes really nice bubble bath, body shower liquids, so that's what I've known her for, but I guess she has some serum. I'll try it out anyway. So that's just a sample. So now we get to the products. So I can see here there's actually a lot of products. What I want to talk about first is this is the Goss High Shine Gloss. So I'm guessing this is oh wow, you can't see it, guys. I guess this is the lip gloss. You guys can't really see it. Hopefully it works. Let me just try and open it for you guys. Yep. So that's the lip product. Not sure how well you can see it. So it's a nude color. I saw some people had the glittery gloss. I wish I got that, but that's okay. This one's all right. This is in the color Petunia. So that's one. Then there's another High Shine Gloss, and this is the color Hyacinth, sorry. Before I was even talking English just then. And It's very similar to the other one, but it's more pinky, a bit pink on the pink side. There you go. Very similar to the other one. And then we've got 2 more lip products. This is the Luxury Cream Lipstick. I've got the walnut color. Oh, I can't actually open this. The boxes are very hard to open. Sorry. So this is what it looks like. In Goss. Oh, a little bit damaged there, but that's okay. So that's the color. Hope you guys can see. It's a very dark nude color. Disappointing how it's not magnet either. I thought that for the price of his product it would be a magnet, but that's okay. Then this one is the Carnation. It's very hard to open these boxes. Oh my gosh, I can't open it actually. Alright guys, I give up. I can't open this. So this is another lipstick, and this is the Carnation. I don't want to break the box either, because just in case I want to gift it. But it looks... Word of advice when Goss, make sure you make packages that are easier to open, because I can't open this. Then we've got, oh no, my rabbit's here, just in case he decides to jump up. Then we've got 5 sticks here, and there's a lot. So these are, I've got the eyeliner, I've got 1, 2. Rocket, come here, Rocky. Come here, Rocky. Uh oh, he's gonna jump up. Can you guys see him? Hello. Hello, baby boy. Hello. Here we go. That's him. He just jumped up to say hi. My rabbit's a very needy rabbit, guys. He's scratching me. Hold on. He just, Rocky, no. Rocky. Oh, okay. Now he's interested in a box. He wants to bite the box. You want to bite the box? And then, so I got 3 eyeliners. He nearly tripped. Oops. Let me just, what's he doing? Hold on. No, Rocky. Just in case he butts wires. Making sure. So there is 3 eyeliners, 2 lip eyeliner. Oh, he's been very naughty today. Honey, if you're watching this, Rocky's been naughty. Sorry, 3 eyeliner and 2 lip eyeliners. So I've got the, I won't open these because it's very hard to open. I can't actually open them. I don't know why. Actually, hold on. Got it. So this one is the medium nude. Oh, you can't see the color. So it looks like this. So, let me go in. Okay, so I got the medium nude. I got the, what's this? Lip. So I got in lip pencils. I got medium nude and the mauve. So that's a brown and a pink brown. And then for the eyeliners, I got 3 eyeliners, and they are the Rich Hazel, Natural Beauty, and Copper Flame. That's a lip. And then the best part of this beauty box is we got 3 palettes. These palettes are actually very expensive, so I'm very happy we got 3. So one of the palettes here, let me have a look, guys. One of the palettes here is a blush palette. So this is the Weightless. It's, oh, I can't see it, so it's very shady. It's the Weightless Veil Blush Palette. I'm trying, yep, so I opened it just to show you guys. So this is what it looks like. Very beautiful. Can you see? The back looks like this. Oh, it's really hard. Things are really hard to open with Wayne Goss. The mirror is really nice, guys. Like one of the best mirrors I've seen. And that's the color. Very nice color. I chose the medium. I didn't choose the light because I heard that the light you have to be like milk white. I'm not milk white, I'm not dark, so medium. And most of the time medium do suit a lot of skin tones, so if you're planning to get it, I recommend you get medium. So that's the blush color. Very beautiful. Very happy with that. Oops, let me just put it back. Oh, I seriously have trouble putting this. So what the colors are Sweetened and Shimmer Pink. Sweetened and Shimmer Pink. This is a very new way to do videos. I don't know if I want to do videos like this anymore. But anyway, I will then put this back in and open my next palette. Oops. Do I need to put it back in bubble wrap? Maybe I just will. Don't matter. Okay. The next palette is I'm very excited about these palettes. It's a eye palette. So I do have a lot of eye palettes, and that's from Jeffree Star. I don't have any from Goss, so this is a good. So after opening it, I think I keep it for 2 years. I don't know how long I can keep makeup for, but I do have a lot of makeup now. I don't know how we're going to use it. So that's the Goss. There you go. Ooh. And that's what it looks like. Oops. Ah, sorry. Very neutral colors. That's a shimmer here. That's a glittery one. I hope you can see. There's a glittery one there. And then there's a pinky one, nude. So these colors are very beautiful. Oh, I hope you guys can see, because I'm sorry we can't. I might do another video after this. Who knows? If you don't see this video, it means I've never done it. But if you see this video, it just means I just decided to keep it, just to make it interesting. And then, actually, even if I do plan to do these videos out here, I just have to make sure that I do them earlier when the sun is out, not when it's dark, because you guys can't see me. Okay, and then the last palette is a lot of palettes. The Radiance Boosting Face Palette. So this is a bronzer. So we've got the color Bronze Glow and Medium Taupe. I do find it very hard to open this. Here we go. So comes in 2 colors. Again, the box, very beautiful. Oh, looks pretty much the same. One's just shimmery. Okay, so pretty much they are the same color, just one is shimmery. This is the lighter one, the shimmery one, and this is the matte. So that's all, guys. So I think I got this for a total of $221. Yeah, about $221. Shipped over to Australia. I think it's a very good deal. And all this is worth just over pretty much a double of what I paid. So this is worth 300 USD altogether, and I paid 150 USD, including shipping, of course. So this is what I got. Oh, and taxes. We get taxes as well. So yeah, if you're interested, I think it is still available. Go to Beautylish and type in Goss and you should see it. And the one I got is the mystery box for $150, and it's a combination of lips and face. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm very sorry about the quality. Please like and subscribe, and I will upload your Jeffree Star Christmas mystery box by Black Swallow tomorrow. See ya, bye.